Have you ever wondered why earthquakes occur or why volcanoes erupt? The answers to these questions lie beneath our feet, in the massive jigsaw puzzle that is Earth's crust. The crust, our planet's outermost layer, is not one solid piece. Instead, it's like a giant 3D puzzle divided into large and small segments known as tectonic plates. These plates float atop the mantle, a semi-fluid layer that allows them to move and interact. Picture the surface of a simmering pot of soup, with chunks of vegetables bobbing and colliding. That's a bit like how tectonic plates behave. When these plates bump into each other, move apart, or slide past one another, they trigger geological events. These movements shape our mountains, carve our oceans, and cause the seismic activities we know as earthquakes. Volcanoes, too, are born from the fiery interactions between these plates. These shifting plates are the architects of our planet's diverse landscapes, but they can also cause catastrophic events such as earthquakes, volcanoes, and even the splitting of a tectonic plate. One such plate, the Indian Tectonic Plate, has an intriguing tale to tell. It's not just moving, it's splitting in two. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of the Indian Tectonic Plate. To start, it's important to understand that our Earth's crust is not one solid piece but is instead divided into several large and small plates. These plates are constantly moving, albeit at a snail's pace, and this movement is what shapes our world's geography. The Indian Tectonic Plate is one such giant puzzle piece. It's been on an epic journey over the last 100 million years, drifting from the southern hemisphere and crashing into the Eurasian plate. This colossal collision gave birth to the mighty Himalayas, the highest mountain range on our planet. But the tale of the Indian Tectonic Plate doesn't end with the formation of the Himalayas. Its journey continues, and recent analyses have revealed a surprising twist in the plot. It appears that the Indian Tectonic Plate is splitting in two, right beneath Tibet. Now you might be wondering, how is a tectonic plate, a massive slab of rock, splitting? Well, the answer lies in the forces at play beneath the Earth's surface. The Indian Plate's northern movement is causing it to be pushed under the Eurasian Plate, a process known as subduction. This immense pressure and heat are causing the Indian Plate to crack and split. But why is all this happening beneath Tibet? Well, Tibet is a unique region where the Indian and Eurasian plates overlap. It's a tectonic battleground, and the immense pressure and movement in this area are causing the Indian Plate to fracture. The splitting of the Indian Tectonic Plate is a geological event of considerable significance, but what does this mean for us? Well, stay tuned as we explore the implications of this split in our next scene. This dramatic tectonic tale is far from over. Imagine a giant crack appearing in the Earth's crust, slowly widening over millions of years. This is what's happening beneath Tibet, and it's reshaping our world. The implications of the Indian Tectonic Plate splitting in two beneath Tibet are far-reaching and significant. At first glance, the most immediate consequence that comes to mind is an increase in seismic activity. As the plate continues to split and shift, it could trigger more frequent and potentially more powerful earthquakes, not just in Tibet, but also in the surrounding regions. This poses a significant risk to the people living in these areas, who may need to adapt to this increased seismic activity. On a larger scale, the splitting of the Indian Tectonic Plate is also likely to cause changes in the Earth's topography. As the plate splits and moves, it can lead to the creation of new mountain ranges, or the reshaping of existing ones. It may alter the course of rivers, impact agricultural regions, and even change the shape of our coastlines. But the implications of this event go beyond seismic activity and topography. It could also have far-reaching effects on our climate. Changes in topography can alter wind patterns and ocean currents, which in turn can impact weather patterns and climate zones. This could have serious implications for our environment and ecosystems, potentially affecting wildlife and biodiversity. On a more positive note, this event offers a unique opportunity for scientists. The splitting of the Indian Tectonic Plate provides a rare insight into the Earth's geological processes. By studying this event, scientists can gain a better understanding of how our planet evolves over time. They can learn more about the mechanisms that drive plate tectonics, and how these processes shape our world. So, while the splitting of the Indian Tectonic Plate beneath Tibet may seem like a distant and abstract event, it has immediate and tangible implications. It serves as a reminder that our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing entity, affecting everything from the ground beneath our feet to the air we breathe. This splitting plate is more than just a geological curiosity, it's a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. As the Indian Tectonic Plate continues to split, It's reshaping our world in ways we can't even begin to imagine. The Earth's crust, that sturdy platform upon which we've built our civilizations, is more dynamic and ever-changing than it initially appears. The splitting of the Indian tectonic plate is a seismic event, quite literally, but it's also a testament to the relentless forces of nature, ceaselessly carving and recarving the face of our planet. What does this mean for our future? Well, the answer is as complex as the Earth itself. As the Indian plate continues to fragment, it's likely to alter the geography of the Earth in significant ways. We may witness the birth of new mountain ranges, the creation of new islands, or even the formation of new seas. These changes won't happen overnight, of course, they'll take place over millions of years, but they are changes that will undoubtedly shape the world of our distant descendants. On a more immediate scale, the splitting of the plate could lead to increased seismic and volcanic activity. This means we could potentially see more earthquakes and eruptions in the affected regions. These natural events, while destructive, are also part of the Earth's natural cycle of creation and destruction, a cycle that has been ongoing for billions of years. The future of Earth's crust is a subject of much speculation and research. The more we understand about tectonic activity, the better prepared we can be for the changes it brings. It's a field that requires constant study and observation, for the Earth never stands still. Its plates are always shifting, always moving, always shaping the world we live in. The splitting of the Indian tectonic plate is a reminder of the Earth's constant evolution, a process that continues to shape and reshape our world, one plate at a time.